Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple step-by-step guide on how to log into your CastingWords account. So let's get started. Welcome to our channel. This video will walk you through the entire process of logging into your CastingWords account. Even if you've never done it before, first step, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the CastingWords website. Make sure the internet connection is stable and the website is loading correctly. Once on the home page, look for the Login button. Typically located at the top right corner of the page, click on this button to proceed to the login page. Now that you are on the login page, you will see two fields to fill out. The first is your registered email address or username. Enter it carefully to avoid any typos. The second field is your password. Make sure to enter your password precisely, as it is case sensitive. After filling in your credentials, double check that there are no mistakes to ensure a smooth login process. Next, click on the Sign In or Login button below the fields. If your details are correct, you will be taken to your CastingWords dashboard, where you can access all your projects and resources. If you encounter any issues such as incorrect password or unrecognized email, use the Forgot Password link below the login fields. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password via email. Follow those instructions and create a new secure password when you have successfully logged in. Remember to keep your login information safe and log out, especially if you are using a shared or public computer. That completes our beginner-friendly guide on how to log into your CastingWords account. Make sure to practice these steps and keep this process handy as you continue with your transcription projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more useful tutorials.